Question number 4. Consider the given figure, answer the questions. You see, one figure is made sidewards and you have to say that is it a curve? So yes, it is a curve, right? Because it is just made using doodles. Then is it closed? So is it closed? Yes, that also because all the points are touching each other, means all the ends are touching, there is no open end. So answer will be yes. Now moving ahead, illustrate if possible each one of the following with rough diagram. If you see a closed curve, that is not a polygon. For this, first of all, you should know the difference between polygon and a curve. You see, polygon is entirely made of line segments, clear? And the curve is made using you can say it is made using curved surface, okay? And in the curve, line segment can also be made, okay? So in polygon only it is made up of line segment, and a curve can be closed and open both, but a polygon is completely a closed figure. Clear na? Difference between curve and the polygon. Now you see, a curve, that is not a polygon. So in that curve there should not be any line segment, then only it will be known as a closed curve. So you can see the answer here. Circle, it is curved, right? It is curved enough from all the side, it is curved. And you can see this figure also, first curve, then second curve, again I have just curved it, right? Any line segment you find here? We don't find any line segment now. So this will be your answer for the curve in which no polygon is made, okay? Then open curve made up of entirely line segment. Now you see, here you have to make an open curve, and that also should have only line segment, means it should not have any curved portion. That curve you have to make, and it should be open. So if you will see, this answer could be there na, in 5B, open curve. So this is open also, and it is made up of line segment also, right? Or else you can see I have made here completely open, right? And no curves are there, only line segments are there. Keep in mind, in curve, line segments could be there. So this Z also can be your answer, and the answer which I have drawn here, that also could be there. Then if you see question number 5C, a polygon with two sides. First of all, keep in mind, a polygon should at least have the three sides. There is no polygon which is having less than three sides. Clear? So here your answer will be not possible. Okay, you see, it is not possible to draw a polygon with only two sides. What is the reason? A polygon should have at least three sides. If you see, when you will if you say the name the smallest polygon, so always your answer will be triangle, and triangle is having the three sides, is it or not? So that's why we say a polygon can not be possible with the two sides. It should have at least three sides, as in the case of triangle, which is known as smallest polygon. Clear? So here we ended up question number 5 also, and complete exercise 4.2.